For example, he's from Joseph, I'm from Bishop Cotton. We meet at a fest. We're like, oh, I'm Cottonian.
Yeah.
I don't care if I like my college or not. I hate my
Yeah.
professor every day. Tomorrow morning, I'm getting beaten. I am Cottonian today.
Yeah.
Anything we'll talk about my college, I'm gonna beat you. Whatever
Yeah.
it is. Or debate
Very,
you.
very, very immature, but very like it made sense
But
to
I-
us back then.
So what did you guys do in college? I mean, I'm just presuming you guys did engineering. If you bucked the trend, please tell me how did you manage
No,
that?
no.
matter
Epidemic
what.
or-
What happened to you guys?
I broke that trend by failing my 12th.
12th.
They were like, इससे 12वीं नहीं हो रही है, इंजीनियरिंग करेंगे तो ये मार देगा अपने आप.
Hey,
So,
Harman, these are 15 specials. Why don't you be a comedian?
I'm like, no. No, so I did very well in my 10th because Kendra Vidyalaya पढ़ रहा था, tuitions, everything. The moment I moved to a all-boys school or college, I was opened to another dimension of culture कि ओ sleepover क्या होता है? मेरे को तो लगा ये सिर्फ बुआ के घर कर सकते हैं. What do you mean, मनोज तेरे घर आऊँ क्या सोने? Like I had no
What do you mean
idea.
hanging out after college?
Yeah.
You go home.
Yeah, I had no idea about this. Hanging out, road trips, friends who drink, friends
Saving-
who smoke.
Saving a pocket money to buy
Yeah,
something.
pocket money. People having their own cars. Bro, you're 16. What do you mean you have your own car? All of this is something that,
Hanging out with a friend,
Yeah.
sibling.
yeah, all of that. Like
Yeah.
just knowing
You
that
just
you.
opened up to those possibilities.
I
as a
didn't know
teenager.
you could eat lunch outside during college hours.
Or like your first time you bunk and like go to a movie, chupa chupa.
Bro, I ate a meal for the first time in college where I got my lunch from home. I gave it to a friend and I went out and ate biryani for the first time as a 16-year-old and I felt empowered. I'm like, ये हुई ना बात, ये करना है मेरे को. All of
What
that.
were
So
the other distractions you had? Just biryani, and I'm
no,
sure you explored
women
different
weren't a distraction at 16. I had no idea what they are, what do they do, what are the capabilities of having a partner. What happens is if you go to because I was coming from co-ed, so I knew how to be around people of anybody. When you go to a boys' school, these guys don't care.
Hmm.
They're
Some of them have been all boys school all their life also.
yeah, like Cotton's kids and Joseph's kids is a scary bunch of friends to have because their way of thinking is way out loud.
Like these are essentially frat boys energy,
Yeah,
right? Joseph's
yeah.
is a cult. Like if you're a Josephite in the 80s and you meet somebody
You're also Josephite?
No, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. I went to Sheshadripuram. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. No, it's okay. It is Joseph on the state board side. Or Joseph.
Oh, we have fought with you guys.
Thanks,
Okay.
man. See?
Yeah, go ahead. You were
No, no.
describing Josephites from an
No,
outsider
essentially,
perspective.
I'll tell you what. So I was in this school called Sheshadripuram, very prestigious school and everything.
Sure.
Prakash Padukone is from Sheshadripuram, okay, by the way. Yeah,
Who else?
Prakash Padukone. And
Deepika Padukone's father.
No,
Yeah.
so
Okay. Seshadripuram.
very like small world and everything. And I've grown up in Sheshadripuram all my life. I've done my 12th till 12th. I've done there. I do not know the college wars, the festing culture that
Yeah,
happens. Festing
yeah.
culture was huge. Festing culture was very, very big.
You're figuring out your identity for the
That's
first time.
You meet
You belong to something.
and you're representing something.
Yeah.
Like, say for example, he's from Joseph, I'm from Bishop Cotton. We meet at a fest. We're like, oh, I'm Cottonian.
Yeah.
I don't care if I like my college or not. I hate my
Yeah.
professor every day. Tomorrow morning, I'm getting beaten. I am Cottonian today.
Yeah.
Anything we'll talk about my college, I'm gonna beat you. Whatever
Yeah.
it is. Or debate
very,
you.
very, very immature, but very like it made sense
But
to
I-
us back then.
I'll tell you what. So the biggest fest, one of the biggest fests was MCC. Mount Carmel College had Esplanada and Kala.
Kala.
Two of the biggest fests, and you had to go there again because all girls college. Oh, that's when you meet like with pretty women or whatever. I was a quizzer growing up, so I had applied for a bunch of quizzes, and Mount Carmel had a quiz. I'd applied. They said your college is not allowed. I'm like, what do you mean my college is not allowed? They're like, no, your college is on our blacklist. What do you mean my college is on a blacklist? Because some guy 15 years ago had some lafda with somebody and they're like, no way. So the urban myth was my college was on a list that said, like, I don't know if I can say
And
it.
these are random blacklists, huh?
Yeah.
No.
अरे college करता रहता है.
So it's like college A, college B and dogs are not allowed. That. So, yeah.
So you
Pretty sort of-
suddenly you have a responsibility of being cool. You have a responsibility of being smarter than you are, and you have to fit in within this culture. Also, if you are wrong, you're cooler.
Mm.
So that suddenly became a thing that I was open to.
Hmm.
Because when you're in a Kendriya Vidyalaya, you're in the structure of the more disciplined and nerd you are, the more
Better you are.
better you
Good
are.
kid.
Good kid, right? And I didn't fit there also. And then suddenly I came to Joseph. I'm like, how am I not fitting here also?
Like there's a athletes are cool.
Because you still have to see. Back in time also, Bangalore was a place for education.
Always has been.
It was a
Academia runs
priority
this
for
also.
education. नौकरी तो बाद में आई है. Because they like, why did we have 98 engineering colleges in Bangalore? It didn't make sense in 2005.
So I have to give you a statistic. So we, in our data report, when we were looking at the number of colleges across India's top 7 cities, top 8 cities, the sharpest growth in number of colleges. Today, Bangalore has the highest number of colleges
Yeah,
For sure.
in the country
correct.
For sure. Not surprised
amongst all
at all.
cities.
It was always about
Yeah.
you come here, study, export.
I'm talking about when I was graduating. I'm talking about 2014, 2015. What data I had, or the Excel sheet, or the thing that I worked on, I had a list of 104 engineering colleges and 65 management colleges across Bangalore only. This is outskirts, 30 किलोमीटर आगे कोलार चले जाओ, वो सारे colleges मिला के, this is what I had. 2019 when I shut shop, I'm like, I can't do this anymore. We were at 180 engineering colleges that were sort of aggregated, done well, grade A, grade B सब मिला हुआ है. They were 180 and management were around 102, 103. So which means every year there were 5 to 6 colleges that were just coming without any base, no school background, nothing. सीधा नया कोई उठ रहा है और बोल रहा है इस बिल्डिंग को कॉलेज बनाना है. So that is what was happening in those 4 years.
Sure.